That was Juliana there giving us the details from the UK and that breaking news coming from the G20. Well, now let's move on to other markets now. We see, I see the price of Bitcoin there still way down today with all that's happening in the crypto industry there with the FTX Binance issue there. Still weighing on the market. We see Bitcoin losing that 18,000 level. If we flip over to the Fair Greed Index, we see it's about 22 points deeper into extreme fear, showing that the market is still fearful, heavily fearful at this time. See the market cap there still at 803.01 billion. That's down 5.31%. Talking about the market cap in the crypto space, we're still seeing the market subdued. You know, at this time, we have Gilbert Jopata now, financial market analyst. Hello, Gilbert.
Yes. Good morning, Mr. Ladi.
Good morning, Gilbert. Well, fresh week, and it looks like what happened, you know, last week is still, you know, impacting the market, but it looks like the CPI data from the U.S. is not playing much into the crypto space at this time.
Okay, you know, during Powell's last speech, he hinted towards a less aggressive rate hike in the coming numbers or next after the manufacturing and service index had shown that the aggressive tightening was already having an impact on the economy. So with this kind of low numbers, because this numbers is actually low than what we've always had, the CPI numbers, bearing in mind that the CPI data always validates the Fed's next course of action, I am actually looking at three things which we should rather be paying attention to and how the market is going to react to this. One is a pivot from the Fed. Market technicals as well, and then more for the correlation process. But if we are looking at the Fed pivoting, you know, we are going to likely see a change of direction from the Fed into a less aggressive rate hike, which we should be looking at maybe 50 basis points, 25 basis points. But we won't see the kind of quantitative easing we've always seen in the past years. But then the market technical response, which is the response we're actually expecting with the CPI data. Recent rate hike have always had less impact on the market. What we've always seen is just maybe a $500 market move. There have been no V-shaped bottom or even an obvious market bounce. But having broken this important critical support of 18K, a less aggressive hike may drive in more buyers into the market.
Right.
While looking more of a decorrelation process, which I think is already happening, because 2 weeks ago, Amazon was down by 15%, Meta 20%, while Bitcoin remained in a sideways movement. Today, Amazon is headed into a resistance, while Bitcoin is in a local support. So these are signs more of Bitcoin becoming less correlated to the stock market.
Yeah, and big signs there, Gilbert. We're seeing that that correlation breaking, you know, a bit between the market. But I'm so sorry, Gilbert, we've run out of time now. We'll get more analysis later on the week. Thank you so much, Gilbert Jopata, financial market analyst. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Ladi.
All right. So quickly now, we see the price of Bitcoin at $16,228. That's down 3.38% this morning. $33.15 billion. Lower volume than we see from the previous sessions, same time this morning, showing that the sell pressures is gradually coming down. But $1,204 for price of Ethereum, down 4.07%. Well, that's it for the market.